Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix frozen screen problem on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. First of all, just do a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Most of the time, a force restart fixes this issue. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then open Settings and tap on General. From here, just tap on iPhone Storage, and from here, just check if you have enough storage on your iPhone. Sometimes this problem appears when the storage is full on your iPhone, so your iPhone starts lagging. To fix this issue, just delete any unnecessary files or games on your iPhone and free some storage. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go back to the main settings page, then tap on General. In General, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do, just go back and in General, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset All Settings. Now, by selecting Reset All Settings, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. And this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. Now, if you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the screen of your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix frozen screen problem on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.